case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1998, the United States Court of Appeals for the Seventh Circuit heard Hemenway v. Peabody Coal Company, a case centered on the interpretation of a 1969 contract between the two parties. The primary issue was whether excise taxes and a mine closing fee should be included in the sales price for royalty calculation purposes in the contract. The court also had to determine the appropriate statute of limitations for this case. The lower court had ruled in favor of Hemenway, stating that excise taxes were indeed part of the sales price. It also determined that the statute of limitations was 8 years, extended by an additional 2 years because Hemenway had been part of a previous class action lawsuit against Peabody in Kentucky. This resulted in a judgment of $88,000, plus $67,000 in pre-judgment interest for Hemenway. On appeal, the Seventh Circuit agreed with the lower court's inclusion of excise taxes and mine closing fees in the sales price for royalty calculation purposes. The court also upheld the 20-year statute of limitations under Section 3411-211, with the clock starting once the district court denied class certification. Thus, the judgment in favor of Hemenway was affirmed by the appellate court, in part based on the principle that, when two statutes of limitations potentially apply, the shorter period should be used to prevent having two overly redundant rules at the same time.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.